Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we break down complex business concepts into actionable advice for entrepreneurs and business students. Today, we're going to explore understanding financial statements for beginners. This is a crucial topic because financial statements are the language of business, and being able to read and understand them is essential for making informed decisions. So, what are financial statements? In simple terms, they're reports that summarize a company's financial activities over a specific period. There are three main types of financial statements: the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a given point in time, including its assets, liabilities, and equity. The income statement shows a company's revenues and expenses over a specific period, while the cash flow statement reveals how much cash is coming into and going out of the business. One influential thinker in this area is Luca Pacioli, an Italian friar who wrote one of the first comprehensive books on accounting back in the 15th century. His work laid the foundation for modern accounting practices, including the development of financial statements. Over time, our understanding and use of financial statements have evolved significantly. With the advent of technology, financial reporting has become more efficient, accurate, and accessible. Today, companies can generate financial statements quickly and easily using accounting software, and investors can access this information online. However, this increased accessibility also means that there's a higher expectation for transparency and accuracy in financial reporting. Let's look at some real-world examples to illustrate how understanding financial statements for beginners plays out in practice. Take Amazon, for instance. The company's financial statements reveal its impressive revenue growth over the years, but they also show that its profit margins have been declining due to increased competition and investments in new technologies. By analyzing Amazon's financial statements, investors can gain insights into the company's strategic decisions and assess its potential for future growth. Another example is the story of Enron, which filed for bankruptcy in 2001 after it was discovered that the company had engaged in widespread accounting fraud. The scandal highlighted the importance of accurate and transparent financial reporting, as well as the need for investors to critically evaluate a company's financial statements before making investment decisions. So, how can you apply understanding financial statements for beginners in your own venture or career? First, start by learning the basics of financial statement analysis. Practice reading and interpreting financial statements from publicly traded companies in your industry or niche. Look for trends, patterns, and red flags that could indicate potential problems or opportunities. Next, focus on developing a deeper understanding of key performance indicators such as revenue growth, profit margins, return on equity, and debt-to-equity ratios. These metrics can provide valuable insights into a company's financial health and profitability. For example, a high ROE ratio may indicate that a company is generating strong profits from its shareholders' equity, while a low debt-to-equity ratio could suggest that a company has a healthy balance sheet. Finally, make sure to review your own company's financial statements regularly, even if you're just starting out. This will help you stay on top of your business's financial performance and make informed decisions about growth, investments, and resource allocation. Remember, every great business starts with action, so take the first step today by learning how to read and understand financial statements. In conclusion, understanding financial statements for beginners is a critical skill for anyone involved in business or finance. By mastering this concept, you'll be able to gain insights into a company's financial health, identify areas for improvement, and make strategic decisions that drive growth and success. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or simply looking to advance your career, being able to read and analyze financial statements is essential in today's fast-paced business environment. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, Every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.